In this video, we dive into the groundbreaking field test of Raytheon's counter-electronic high-power microwave extended-range air-based defense, also known as CHIMERA. Raytheon, a company under RTX, has successfully completed a 3-week test in collaboration with the United States Air Force Research Laboratory (AFRL). The high-power microwave HPM technology demonstrated its capabilities at the White Sands Missile Range in New Mexico, showcasing its effectiveness in countering airborne threats. Raytheon's CHIMERA, a ground-based demonstration system, completed a successful 3-week field test at the White Sands Missile Range. The test involved engaging static targets and demonstrated end-to-end fire control by tracking aerial targets throughout their entire flight paths. CHIMERA utilizes directed energy to defeat airborne threats, offering more power than other HPM systems. This technology is a cost-effective solution, with the advantage of being inexpensive to fire once built. It can play a crucial role in layered defense, providing more options for warfighters to counter increasingly sophisticated threats. CHIMERA is a component of the Directed Energy Frontline Electromagnetic Neutralization and Defeat Defend program. This joint effort by various services aims to create HPM systems for deployment at the front line, enhancing the country's defense capabilities. Raytheon collaborates with experts at AFRL, Naval Surface Warfare Center Dahlgren Division, and the Undersecretary of Defense for Research and Engineering. The partnership is working on a contract in Tucson, Arizona, with the goal of delivering prototypes in fiscal years 2024 and 2026. Raytheon has also developed an HPM weapon system for the United States Army. These systems are designed to be sturdy and easily transportable for deployment on the front lines, contributing to the overall national defense strategy. The partnership emphasizes the importance of non-kinetic defense systems, and Raytheon's high-power microwave systems are hailed as cost-effective and reliable solutions operating at the speed of light. The collaboration between government, industry, and academia is vital for continued innovation in directed energy technologies. This video provides insights into the advancements made in directed energy warfare, showcasing how CHIMERA and similar systems are shaping the future of national defense strategies. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest technological developments in defense and security.